Welcome! If you're moderating a Discord server and want to control how spoiler content is displayed, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to show spoiler content only on the servers you moderate, all from the Discord web app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them, there's a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the User Settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Text and Images. Click on it to open up the settings related to how messages and media are displayed in your chats. Now, scroll down until you spot the Show Spoiler Content section. This is where you can control how Discord handles messages marked as spoilers. You'll notice a few options here. To make sure you only see spoiler content on servers you moderate, select the option labeled On Servers I Moderate. This means spoiler content will be automatically revealed only in the servers where you have moderator permissions, while remaining hidden everywhere else. After you've made your selection, there's no need to save. Discord updates your preferences instantly. You can now exit the settings menu and return to your chats. From now on, spoiler tags will behave just the way you want on the servers you help manage. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've customized your spoiler content settings for a smoother moderation experience. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of Discord. Thanks for watching, and happy moderating!